Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What type of dish is chimol commonly associated with? Is it A. Salsa, B. Soup, or C. Dessert? It is A. Salsa. What is the main focus of the NPR program Code Switch? Is it A. Technology trends, B. Race and culture, or C. Political analysis? It is B. Race and culture. What type of music is primarily celebrated at Jazz Fest in New Orleans? Is it A. Jazz, B. Rock, or C. Hip hop? It is A. Jazz. What was the main event that escalated tensions during the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962? Is it A. Nuclear missile installations, B. Economic sanctions, or C. Military invasion? It is A. Nuclear missile installations. What luxury resale platform did Julie Wainwright co-found and serves as CEO? Is it A. ThreadUp, B. Poshmark, or C. The Real Real? It is C. The Real Real. Which song is Megan Thee Stallion famous for that features the phrase Hot Girl Summer? Is it A. Hot Girl Summer, B. Savage, or C. WAP? It is A. Hot Girl Summer. What is the primary function of a wheel in transportation? Is it A. Store energy, B. Provide decoration, or C. Facilitate movement? It is C. Facilitate movement. Which philosophical approach emphasizes knowledge derived from sensory experience? Is it A. Rationalism, B. Empiricism, or C. Idealism? It is B. Empiricism. What is the capital city of Myanmar? Is it A. Yangon, B. Mandalay, or C. Naypyidaw? It is C. Naypyidaw. What is the primary focus of skepticism in philosophy? Is it A. Faith and belief, B. Absolute certainty, or C. Doubt and questioning? It is C. Doubt and questioning. Which spice is most commonly associated with curry dishes? Is it A. Oregano, B. Basil, or C. Turmeric? It is C. Turmeric. What type of software is Notion primarily known as? Is it A. Video editor, B. Productivity tool, or C. Graphic design app? It is B. Productivity tool. What type of game is Gloomhaven primarily categorized as? Is it A. Board game, B. Card game, or C. Video game? It is A. Board game. What is the primary function of Buckingham Palace? Is it A. Royal residence, B. Museum, or C. Government office? It is A. Royal residence. What is the largest moon of Saturn, known for its thick atmosphere? Is it A. Titan, B. Enceladus, or C. Ganymede? It is A. Titan. What is the main goal of the climate justice movement? Is it A. Environmental equality, B. Economic growth, or C. Urban development? It is A. Environmental equality. What is the capital city of Belarus? Is it A. Kyiv, B. Vilnius, or C. Minsk? It is C. Minsk. Which continent hosts the Africa Cup of Nations football tournament? Is it A. Europe, B. Asia, or C. Africa? It is C. Africa. Which boy band was Zayn Malik a member of before launching his solo career? Is it A, One Direction, B, Backstreet Boys, or C, NSYNC? It is A, One Direction. What is the central figure of the Baha'i faith known for his teachings on unity? Is it A, Abdul Baha, B, Baha'u'llah, or C, Shoghi Effendi? It is B, Baha'u'llah. Who is the current president of South Korea as of 2022? Is it A, Moon Jae-in, B, Lee Myung-bak, or C, Yoon Suk-yeol? It is C, Yoon Suk-yeol. What is the main characteristic feature of pangolins that distinguishes them from other mammals? Is it A, fur, B, feathers, or C, scales? It is C, scales. Which woman is known for her role in founding the American Red Cross? Is it A, Clara Barton, B, Susan B. Anthony, or C, Eleanor Roosevelt? It is A, Clara Barton. What is the name of the totalitarian regime that Winston Smith rebels against in George Orwell's 1984? Is it A, the party, B, Big Brother, or C, the state? It is B, Big Brother. Which film series features Michael B. Jordan as the character Adonis Creed? Is it A, Fast and Furious, B, Avengers, or C, Creed? It is C, Creed. What is the capital city of the Philippines? Is it A, Manila, B, Cebu, or C, Davao? It is A, Manila. Which electromagnetic force is responsible for both electric and magnetic phenomena? Is it A, gravitational force, B, nuclear force, or C, electromagnetism? It is C, electromagnetism. What part of a cell contains the genetic material? Is it A, cytoplasm, B, nucleus, or C, mitochondria? It is B, nucleus. What is the term for the art of riding, driving, or working with horses, commonly known as equestrian? Is it A, dog training, B, horse riding, or C, cattle wrangling? It is B, horse riding. Which leader was defeated at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815? Is it A, Napoleon Bonaparte, B, Duke of Wellington, or C, Frederick the Great? It is A, Napoleon Bonaparte. Which song is Bad Bunny known for that features the phrase Yo Perreo Sola? Is it A, Despacito, B, Tusa, or C, Yo Perreo Sola? It is C, Yo Perreo Sola. What tiny blood vessels are responsible for the exchange of nutrients and waste between tissues and the bloodstream? Is it A, capillaries, B, veins, or C, arteries? It is A, capillaries. What is the primary purpose of WhatsApp Business? Is it A, business communication, B, video streaming, or C, social networking? It is A, business communication. Which surface is the French Open, Roland Garros, played on? Is it A, hard, B, grass, or C, clay? It is C, clay. What experiment is Ernest Rutherford known for that led to the discovery of the atomic nucleus? Is it A, oil drop experiment, B, gold foil experiment, or C, cathode ray experiment? It is B, gold foil experiment. What is a call option primarily used for in finance? Is it A, buying stocks, B, selling bonds, or C, hedging currency? It is A, buying stocks. Which significant event in women's sports is Billie Jean King famously known for advocating? Is it A, Grand Slam, B. Olympic gold, or C. Equal pay? It is C. Equal pay. What major environmental issue is associated with the Aral Sea? Is it A. Flooding, B. Shrinkage, or C. Pollution? It is B. Shrinkage. What is a characteristic feature of a red giant star? Is it A. Blue color, B. Large size, or C. Cold temperature? It is B. Large size. What is primarily responsible for global warming? Is it A. Greenhouse gas, B. Fossil fuel burning, or C. Deforestation? It is B. Fossil fuel burning. What is the main use of nuoc cham in Vietnamese cuisine? Is it A. Dipping sauce, B. Soup base, or C. Marinade? It is A. Dipping sauce. What is K2 primarily known for? Is it A. Space mission, B. Famous ski resort, or C. Second highest mountain? It is C. Second highest mountain. Which general is famous for his tactics during the Battle of Cannae in 216 BC? Is it A. Julius Caesar, B. Scipio, or C. Hannibal? It is C. Hannibal. Who was El Greco? Is it A. Sculptor, B. Poet, or C. Painter? It is C. Painter. What is the Kumbh Mela primarily known for? Is it A. Cultural festival, B. Religious pilgrimage, or C. Trade fair? It is B. Religious pilgrimage. In which movie franchise do gremlins cause chaos during Christmas time? Is it A. Gremlins, B. Ghostbusters, or C. Jumanji? It is A. Gremlins. In music, what does the term interval refer to? Is it A. Length of a song, B. Distance between notes, or C. Volume of sound? It is B. Distance between notes. What body of water does the Bosporus Strait connect the Black Sea to? Is it A. Sea of Marmara, B. Mediterranean Sea, or C. Red Sea? It is A. Sea of Marmara. What is the capital city of Nicaragua? Is it A. Managua, B. Leon, or C. Granada? It is A. Managua. What is Mumbai famously known for being the center of in India? Is it A. Film industry, B. Technology hub, or C. Financial district? It is A. Film industry. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.